Governor Abbott signed several fentanyl-related bills into law. There have been several arrests in North Texas involving the sale of hundreds of thousands of fentanyl-laced pills.
Fentanyl is also responsible for the death of at least 3 Carrollton Farmers Branch ISD students this year. Fox 4's Stephen Dial live with what these laws could mean moving forward. Stephen.
The most notable bill signed into law by Governor Abbott basically says that it allows prosecutors, county prosecutors, to be able to charge dealers with murder if it's related to a fentanyl death.
After 4 months of sobriety, he made a terrible decision, and he purchased a pill on social media. He was found dead 10 hours later.
More than 2,000 Texans died from overdosing on fentanyl last year. The impact continues to hit families hard in North Texas. This past school year, at least 3 Carrollton Farmers Branch ISD students died from taking fentanyl-laced pills.
House Bill 6 is now law in the state of Texas.
Wednesday, Governor Greg Abbott signed multiple fentanyl-related bills. The bill with the biggest impact to dealers is House Bill 6.
It now will be a murder in Texas, and ensure that death certificates reflect when people are poisoned by this terrible drug.
This week, 22-year-old Jason Villanueva pleaded guilty to conspiracy to possess with the intent to distribute. Court documents say Villanueva admitted to distributing more than 200,000 pills in North Texas in a 6-month span. The pills were tied to at least 10 overdoses in the Carrollton Farmers Branch ISD. HB 6 would also direct medical examiners to mark the deaths as fentanyl poisonings.
It's important for me to point out that Tucker wasn't offered fentanyl. He was offered a Xanax.
Another bill that was signed is Tucker's Law, named after Stephanie Turner's 19-year-old son, who died thinking he was taking Xanax. Tucker's Law requires education resources in schools about fentanyl. She read something Tucker wrote in his journal before his death.
I really want to be something great. I'm not exactly sure what, but I'll figure it out.
A former Dallas County prosecutor told us it will take some time to see the real impact of HB 6. Currently, local officials turn fentanyl cases over to the feds and charge them with federal crimes. But the attorney told us that this does give local officials more tools to fight these types of crimes.
Our collective goal is to reduce people dying.
Another bill Governor Abbott signed into law basically recognizes October as Fentanyl Poisoning Awareness Month.